Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith and I'm sure glad you stopped by today. Today's video, we're battling fruit flies. We have a number of fruit flies that have made their way into our house and I'm trying to get rid of them. So, we're going to show you a concoction here that's tried and true. It's a popular way of getting rid of these fruit flies that have made their way in the house, and I've added a little twist to it that's definitely made it, I think, more effective. So what we're going to do here is mix up our concoction. I have just a white container here. I'm going to use any old container will do. And I'm going to take some apple cider vinegar and I'm going to pour some in here. I'm going to pour it in here so that it's just enough so that once these fruit flies hit it, they can't get out and they'll drown. The next important piece you're going to need is some dishwashing liquid. I'm using some of this Dawn soap, and what this is going to do is decrease the surface tension of this apple cider vinegar so that when these fruit flies hit it and they fly to it, they can't just walk on the liquid. They'll immediately drown. So I'm going to give this a good mix, apple cider vinegar and the Dawn soap. The apple cider vinegar, they're attracted to the smell of it because they like fermented fruits and vegetables and all that stuff. So the apple cider vinegar, its purpose is to attract them, and the soap is going to break the surface tension, so once they step on the water, they'll drown. Okay, so we've got our concoction mixed. Now let's go set this up. So the little twist I've put on this whole setup is that I have added a light as an attractant. So I'm going to set the concoction over here in this corner, and what I have here is a desk lamp that I have placed an Wi-Fi LED light in, the kind that you can control the color, and I've set this to green. I did a bit of research and these fruit flies seem to be attracted to green light. The University of Miami did a study some years ago that found that these fruit flies are attracted to green light. So I set the color to be green, and we're just gonna let this sit for a few days just like that. And I turn out all the lights in my basement as well. I'm in the basement, turn out all the lights so that this is the only light source. So the light will attract them to the apple cider vinegar. And let's wait a few days and I'll come back and we'll see how effective the trap is. See you in a bit. So it's been a couple days and look at the result here of our apple cider and Dawn soap mixture. So I say that's effective. Let it sit a couple days. We have a number of fruit flies in here, and that Dawn soap and apple cider vinegar did the trick. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.